What's up, guys? We're back. We got some new parts in today. I'm gonna be opening those for y'all here in a bit. A little update: we should be finishing off spraying the bay of the red car this week, so we can install these parts that we've got. We got a few parts on the side, a few parts that came in. We got more parts on the way. Update: the all-wheel drive parts are coming in possibly next week or the week after. I've already ordered them from Dalen Snow from MA Performance. He hooked me up with the wagon rear differential, the wagon axles, the drive shaft, and the viscous coupler. So those are all coming in. He said he'll have them removed and packaged up this weekend, so possibly he'll ship them next week, and I could see them the week after. So we'll be getting the all-wheel drive wagon parts coming in. So it is all-wheel drive. The parts are coming in, and we went wagon. Why go with any way of rigging it up? Let's go the true all-wheel drive. That's what we're doing. We're trying to make this car go fast. So that's what I did. We also got a few of our stuff in. I believe we have stuff from Hush Performance that came in. I have not opened the packages yet. And we got stuff from an eBay seller that was selling some stuff that I needed. So let's go ahead and take a look at those packages and let's talk about them. Alright guys, so we got two packages here. I have them laid in front of my car right now. This one I had to start a rip in because I noticed I'm no way I'm going to be able to open it with one hand. So okay. Oh look, one of them fell out. So this is supposed to be a pack of 5. Let's see if you can see what this looks like here. Let's pop that out. It'll come out. Uh-oh. I'm glad they protect them. Like, this is really good protection. Let's see. Ah, there we go. Dash 10 AN bungs. For these are male AN bungs. Weld on. So what we're doing here with these dash 10s is we will be drilling into the valve cover. I'm going to put some bungs possibly around here and around here to vent the valve cover. We're going to be pushing a lot of boost. There's going to be a lot of pressure coming out. So we're going to make sure to vent this valve cover in 2 locations. So I have a set of 5. It came in a set of 5. So we'll do my valve cover and we'll do Cody's valve cover, which is the green Integra, which is covered up right now. We'll be doing those weld-on bungs. So that's one of the parts that came in. So I can finish off these valve covers. Well, not really finish them off because I'm getting the mechanical pump on the valve cover. So that's going to be another mod that has to be done to the valve cover. So I can't paint it yet. But that's one of my products that came in. This one's from Hush Performance. I'm going to need my other hand, I think. Yeah. Okay, here, let me get my other hand out and let me get it started, and then I'll show you. Alright, guys, we got the package opened up from Hush Performance. I have not seen what's in here. I have an idea. Let's pull out some stuff. Let's see. What else is in there? Looks like some of the stuff's in there. That's it. So it looks like we got our 2 packages. We got our brake booster delete brake line kit. Now this is, oh, this is the clutch master line, excuse me. This is my clutch master line right here. This is supposed to, no, this is my brake booster kit, excuse me. Yeah, it has my T and everything. So this is going to tie into my brake booster and run my front lines of my car. On the, it's going to be an all-wheel drive car. This will drive the front brakes, while the staging brake will run the rear brakes only. So that's going to go with this guy. These two are going together right there. The Willwood master cylinder with the Hush Performance brake booster delete brake lines. Okay, let's see what else we got here. And here we have the, oh, they just say the same thing all the time. Okay, so this right here is the, this right here, oh, because the S2K to K series S2000 to K series clutch line. So this should run on my, yeah, this is gonna run to my my slave cylinder. I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm gonna have to figure this out because I'm looking at the fittings and that doesn't look right. We're gonna have to figure this out. I see the 2 bolts there, but my slave cylinder looks like that. So I don't know if that's gonna work. And I don't think this unscrews from here. I don't think that's gonna work. We're gonna have to figure it out. So we did look at the clutch master cylinder, and I think there's 2 scenarios. I can pull out the pins that are holding the fitting on the slave cylinder. That may have a threaded area for me to run that bolt in, or I can get the adapter that ties into like an adapter that goes to the AN and screws onto the AN part of the slave cylinder, and then have a threaded part on the top which will hold on that tuck kit. So I'm going to have to look into that and see what that looks like. That might be the easiest thing, just a little adapter fitting to combine the 2. We'll figure it out and see what we need to get. The other side though runs to the S2000 clutch master cylinder, which I do have, which I'm also running, which I don't think I showed, but I do have the S2000 clutch master cylinder, which will be on the car. I want to go Willwood later, Willwood master cylinder, but right now we'll just have the S2000. Yeah, we got some parts that came in. I should be repainting the bay possibly tomorrow evening, like finishing it off. As you can see, it has 1 coat. I have to finish a 2nd coat and clear on it. So yeah, we'll try to do, we can do that tomorrow. What else do we got? There's more stuff coming in. Oh, cash cans coming in from DTR. Danny, thank you, Danny, from DTR with the cash can. Oh, Honda got some more firewall plugs coming in. Oh, the cool thing about that brake line kit, they gave me new plugs for the brake area over here. They give you new plugs for that, so that's cool. So you can like fill it in when your lines run through. That's pretty cool. They give you new ones in that brake line kit from Hush Performance. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. That was just a quick update showing you some of the new parts we got, getting them, open them up in front of you. And as we get more stuff in, like when the wagon stuff arrives, I'm excited. I'm excited to open up the all-wheel drive wagon stuff. So that'll be coming hopefully within a week or 2. And we'll get to look through that stuff. And then I want to send the viscous coupler and that to get rebuilt by Ben White, who is the man when it comes to the viscous coupler rebuilds. So yeah, that's upcoming stuff, man. Soon, once we get the bay, but that's what has been holding us up, is finish painting the bay. Once we finish painting the bay, we can start moving forward with a lot of stuff, putting the motor in, finishing up bolting the suspension on, all this kind of stuff, because I don't want any paint getting on any suspension components. So yeah, coming soon. Hopefully this weekend I'll have a new video for y'all with a bunch of stuff that we've done or we're doing in the shop. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care.